Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to link your Chime bank account to Cash App. If you've been wondering how to seamlessly transfer money between the two, stick around. This tutorial is quick, easy, and by the end, you'll have your accounts connected and ready to go. First, open your Cash App and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This takes you to your account menu. Next, scroll down and tap on Linked Banks. This is where you manage any bank accounts or cards connected to Cash App. Tap on Link Debit Card. Now, if you don't have a debit card or prefer to link your account directly, select No Card when prompted. After that, tap on Link Bank Account and hit Continue. A search bar will pop up. Type in Chime and select it from the list of banks. You'll now be prompted to log into your Chime account. Enter your credentials, follow the on-screen instructions, and once you're logged in, your Chime account will be successfully linked to your Cash App. That's it, and you can now transfer money back and forth between Chime and Cash App anytime you need. And there you have it. Linking Chime to Cash App is that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you ran into any issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.